Welcome back. Happening today, the Muskegon Community Resource Fair is returning for its 14th year to Hackley Park. There will be dozens of booths, activities, and live entertainment. Live this morning with all the details, we have Stephanie Williams and Michael Pine with Health West. Thank you both so much for waking up early with us and joining us live here on Morning Plus.
No problem. Thank you.
Yes, glad to have you both. Feel free to just jump in, whoever feels they'd be best to answer any particular question. I want to start off with why Health West started this. As you mentioned, 14 years ago, why did they feel this was something important for the community to have?
I'll take this one, Stephanie, if you're okay with that. So 14 years ago, it was in a different park and it was a little bit smaller. But the idea, the fair is called the Health, Wellness, and Recovery Picnic. And it started in a smaller park 14 years ago. So this is going to be the 14th one. And we wanted to get together as many vendors as possible. Health West is the community mental health of Muskegon County. But we wanted to reach out to as many health providers and vendors as possible and just have a day focused on individuals' health, their well-being, and their recovery. And it's just grown since then. And I believe this year we have the highest number of vendors and health providers that will be there. Stephanie, how many do we have?
So we have well over 110 different community organizations that's going to be represented this year.
That is fantastic. So I want to get more into exactly what some of those organizations will be offering at the event coming up here in a few hours. But first, let's talk about the fun stuff. You all have a lot planned for families to come and enjoy. In addition to all of this helpful information, what is it that families should expect if they head out this morning and want to be part of this fair?
So there is something, a little something for everyone. So all ages, all abilities, from tots all the way to seniors, veterans, literally everyone in our community. There's going to be something there for them to be able to enjoy. So we have free health screenings. We also have lots of agencies that will have free giveaways. They'll be doing demos. Last year and this year, we had agency doing mini massages. So there's a lot of things for people to connect with and be proactive about taking care of their health. And they'll be able to, again, connect with those organizations that is going to be able to provide ongoing support and resources. We also have raffles that we're always excited about.
Free lunch. Free lunch for
free lunch, entertainment, music, children's activities. Again, so it's going to be a really fun event. People actually look forward to it every year, rain or shine. People always appreciate and they always come out and support the picnic because they know it's a time that they'll be able to connect and continue those relationships with a lot of different agencies.
Excellent. Yeah, can't forget about that free lunch. I'm thinking the massages will get a lot of people out there as well. I want to talk more about the health screenings and exactly what that means. I think that's what's great about events like this is because many times you start talking about health care, doctor's appointments, health screenings, and you scare some people away. It seems intimidating. It seems overwhelming. But I think that's what is great about events like this is it can sort of help introduce some people into what that looks like and maybe what those next steps should be. Explain exactly what it is you all are offering for people in terms of those health screenings.
I think obviously people don't have to participate in those health screenings if they prefer not to. And I know over the years we've had several different types of screenings, and Stephanie can probably speak to it a little bit better. But public health will be there as well as Trinity Health and obviously many other health providers. And there is that opportunity to at least have that initial screening, especially around blood pressure and those types of things. Stephanie, you want to add to it?
Okay, so blood pressure checks, glucose checks. We also have mental health professionals and things like that there too, so people can get checked with their mental health as well.
But I think an important part about that is that you're able to do this and have these conversations in an atmosphere that maybe isn't as intimidating as the doctor's office. You're at a family picnic with the people you love and can maybe start to have some of those initial healthcare conversations. Yes?
Yes,
Absolutely.
yes.
Yeah, talk more about that and the atmosphere, making people feel comfortable about having these healthcare conversations.
I think if you're able to go to a picnic and there's well over 100 vendors that provide health related info, it definitely, and we'll have sun. It looks like again. I think rain only interrupted us in a major way one time out of the 14 years too. So we've been super lucky with the third Thursday in August. Don't plan your events next year, but that's our date for our park. And I think that it's such a laid back affair. As Stephanie said, music and raffles and opportunities. It's not just a lot of vendors that are sitting there, but it's really an opportunity to get out, meet some people face to face, have some discussions maybe about those things if you do have concerns or you're somewhat fearful of doctors or that sort of thing. It's the perfect opportunity to go and meet some health providers and throw some questions out and have that screen. I just think it's a much easier thing to do for some people. Sometimes walking into that doctor's office or into a community mental health office can really be a challenge for folks, and we certainly understand that. And this hopefully puts it in an atmosphere where things are very safe and everybody feels welcome. And we hope that that will resonate and create some lasting relationships between the health providers and the individuals that are going to come out in our community today.
Absolutely. Those conversations can be scary a lot of times. So you all providing a great atmosphere to sort of, again, have some of those initial conversations. But like you said, a lot of fun involved in this too. It's not just healthcare that you're offering. What are you most excited about for today's event, or is there anything new for your 14th year?
I'm thrilled that it's not going to rain, but Stephanie, go ahead.
I think I always look forward to the children's activities. We always have great a lineup that's great for kids. We have we have an artist there. We have all kinds of things. We have a photo booth. So there's lots of fun activities. I always get excited when I see the kids out.
Mhm. You bet.
All right. Well, hopefully you all get a great crowd. And I think you're right that Amber's been saying it sounds like it'll be a great day today. So hopefully everything goes well with this resource fair. Obviously, a great opportunity for the community to get these resources and just have some family fun. Michael, Stephanie, thank you so much for your
Thank
time this
you.
morning and for joining us live
Thank you.
here on Morning
Appreciate
Plus.
Okay.